Well, good morning, my friends. What is up? It's your friend and pal Seth. My pronouns are he and they. I want to welcome you to your morning inspiration video. If we are keeping track and keeping count, it is day number 18. Oh, yes. Okay. So, I hope you are doing well. You are making it a most fantastic day ever. And if you find that you're needing just a little bit of some inspiration, a little bit of inspiration this morning, or if you're just needing a little bit more motivation, I hope this video kind of helps you at least helps your motivation at least by 1%. Okay? Hopes you make you feel at least a little 1% better. All right, so without further ado, let's get into our morning inspiration video for the day. These videos include four things. They include a morning quote and or lesson. Today, this video will include both of those. We have a song for the day, our affirmations, and as well as our journal prompt for the day. So let us get into this. So, in preparation for the morning video for this morning, I was actually listening as part of kind of my morning practice and everything before I do these videos and for everybody. As kind of my morning practice, I was listening to a podcast and a podcast philosophy type of thing. And one of the things they were talking about is they were talking about this like a Japanese philosophy called Kintsugi, which pretty much literally means the art of repair. And that's something I really want to talk about because this whole Japanese philosophy that is behind this and the actual Kintsugi act is incredible. And that's something that I really want to talk about today as, kind of part of our wellness and everything. But as a kind of precursor to that, what I want to do is kind of deliver the morning quote for this morning. And this morning quote, it's pretty powerful. Okay, so let me know what you think. Here we go. Don't point out other people's flaws because you're not perfect. You have to look in the mirror before you can look out the window. We're going to read that again. Okay. Don't point out other people's flaws because you're not perfect. You have to look in the mirror before you can look out the window. I'm sorry. When I saw that and I read that quote, I was like, boom. Okay. That is really powerful. Essentially, don't point out someone else's flaws. Don't exacerbate other people's flaws because all that does is show the type of person that you are. Or what it will do is exacerbate what's going on inside you and your own flaws, pretty much. Okay? I truly believe this. We were not born to cut down other people. We're not born to spend our lives hating on other people. Okay? Hate or anger, whatever, that was not intrinsically, given to us when we were born. Okay? We didn't come into this world with hate. I truly do not believe that. Okay? We did not come into this world hating others. So, with that being said, I want to get into this incredible philosophy. And as I said, it's called Kintsugi, which is literally called the art of repair. Now, this is literally a Japanese philosophy of embracing the flaws and fragileness of life. This is reflected in a type of pottery. Okay? So, with this type of pottery, what happens is if you have pottery that's literally broken, what happens is they put the pieces back together, but they highlight the cracks in the pottery. Again, essentially what they're doing literally is highlighting the flaws, embracing the flaws, okay, as a part of life. Or for that matter, in the pottery, embracing the flaws as part of the history of the pottery. So it's pottery which has since broken, They're like, oh, we're going to put the pieces back together, but highlight the cracks in them, pretty much. It is truly, truly incredible. This whole philosophy on life. So, in other words, we can turn something that is flawed or broken in our lives into something that is beautiful and resilient. So, no matter our difficulties, no matter what things that we may be going through, we can find a way to reframe it and find meaning in our life. I know I've talked about this in other videos, kind of the value of our past. If we have a past that is kind of full of negative stuff and all sorts of like crap and everything. The thing is, it's part of our journey. All of that is part of our journey. So it's important to be able to embrace that negativity, embrace the brokenness, all of it, and highlight it as part of the things that we go through. Hope that makes sense. So again, I had found out about this incredible philosophy called Kintsugi, art of repair and everything, and this incredible Japanese philosophy, and this pottery and everything, and highlighting the cracks, embracing our flaws. It's something that's really, really powerful. If this speaks to you, or if this is something that you actually kind of know more about, or you actually experienced that, let me know. I think that would be incredible. So our song for today is Fight Song by Rachel Platten. I absolutely love this song. Okay, if you've not heard this song, ooh, it's good. It's a really good one. Okay, now this song, it's a song about perseverance and believing in ourselves, especially during those difficult times. All right, we can overcome challenges, pursue our dreams, even when in the midst of a setback. Right there. And the fight song, and part of the chorus said, "This is my fight song, take back my life song." Again, this is literally about embracing the flaws and the bitterness and the ugliness of life and the things that we go through, again, because it is part of our journey. It's all part of our journey. It's something that I've really had to come to terms with and everything, especially with the summer months. We're in May right now at the time of recording of this video. The summer months, the May months, May, June, July, August, and a little bit into September are difficult months for me, because there are certain days actually that kind of highlight a lot of the things that have happened in my past, that kind of relate to my PTSD. Okay, but the thing that I have learned, and the thing that I'm in the process of doing, is finding ways to overcome. We talked in another video kind of about coping ahead with those difficult days. Being able to see those days and trying to reframe them as well. So again, this is really, really incredible, and it's incredible philosophy, and just a really, really incredible ideal and wisdom to live by. So with that said, let's move into some affirmations. We're talking about resilience. We're talking about finding ways to overcome, but still also embracing and radical acceptance, radically accepting what has happened. Right? Use it as a motivation. So let's move into some affirmations. Again, I give you a few affirmations that I currently use, and I give you the prompt of, if there are any other affirmations that you can use today to kind of help you. I welcome that. Okay. So here are mine. I am resilient. My past has shaped me into the amazing person I am today. Challenges make me stronger and wiser. I am already enough. Let's go through them again. I am resilient. My past has shaped me into the amazing person I am today. Challenges make me stronger and wiser. I am already enough. I love those. Oh, just speak to me, you know? So if they speak to you, let me know. And again, the prompt are, what are some other affirmations that you can use today and every day in order to help you stay resilient, even in the face of challenges? So our journal prompt for today, again, kind of in line with all of this, is think of a challenging circumstance that you're going through right now in your life. Just anyone. What is one thing that you can do to shift your perspective about it? One thing you can do. Now, even it could be something as small as saying, that there's something that's difficult going on in your life and you're trying to just push it under the rug. You're trying to just push it away because you don't want to deal with it. Maybe that first thing that you could do is you could say, well, this has been happening. It's been going on. I've been trying to steer clear of it. I've been trying to push it under the rug. What would happen if I actually just accept that it's going on? I hate it, and I accept that it's going on. That again moves into kind of radical acceptance. Again, not trying to disregard our feelings about it, but still saying it's happening and okay. So this is happening. And then just thinking, is there anything that I can do to either fix it or help myself feel better in the moment about it? You know, just a little soup for the soul. Just a little nugget to think about. Okay. So that'll about do it for this morning video. I really wanted to kind of talk about this incredible Japanese philosophy. It's really really powerful. It really really is. Okay, like embracing the flaws and just highlighting them and showing them. Because they are a part of our journey. They're a part of what has happened in our lives and what is happening. Okay, they help to kind of also shape our future too. So, as I said, that'll about do it. Okay, I want you to kind of turn your attention down to the ticker on the bottom. Don't quit before the miracle happens. Okay, find ways to keep moving forward. You are resilient. You are enough. You are incredible. You are amazing. Do you know how amazing you are? You are incredible. You're amazing. All right. Stay positive. Stay motivated. Stay focused on your big, humongous, huge dreams and goals. All right. Thank you so much for watching your morning inspiration video for today. Thank you so much. Take care. Namaste. I love you. And I'll talk to you in the next video.